In this video, I'll show you how to get free credits on Manus AI. The first way is to simply create a new account. When you sign up for Manus, you will automatically receive between 500 and 1,000 free credits, depending on the current promotion. This is the easiest way to get started. The second way is to log in every day. Manus gives you 300 free credits every single day just for logging in. Keep in mind that these daily credits are only valid for 24 hours and do not carry over to the next day. Free users also have a monthly cap of 1,500 credits from daily logins. The third way is to use the referral program. Share your unique referral link with friends. Every time someone signs up using your link, you will earn 500 credits. The more friends you refer, the more credits you earn. The fourth way is to redeem promo codes. Influencers and partners regularly share promo codes that can give you up to 2,000 extra credits. Go to manus.im/redeem, log into your account, and now enter the promo code. The fifth way is through community engagement. Share your Manus projects on social media using the hashtag #BuiltWithManus. If your post gets featured, you could earn up to 100,000 credits. You could also post high-quality content in the Manus subreddit on Reddit to earn 500 or more credits. If you're a student with a verified EDU email address, you may also be eligible for additional invite bonuses, so make sure to check that out. That is how you do it.